and I'm Mrs. Noonan-Reeve, and another one of the teachers that also teaches child development and care is Miss Bedford. On our scheme, we call this early years, but we follow the child development and care programme by an exam board called CASH or NCFE CASH. It's a level 2 course, so therefore it's weighted the same as any GCSE or BTEC. It has 3 units within it. The first unit is a smaller unit, 30 guided learning hours, and we look at how we can introduce you to being a practitioner that would like to go into nurseries, work with children, look at how they're developing and things like that. We then look at how children develop intellectually, socially, through their language and through their physical aspects, and how we make sure that they have good well-being, and what to do if we don't think that that's the case, how we can make them successful young children. And then Unit 3 is an exam, and it looks at Unit 1 and Unit 2 and all the concepts you've learned and the assessment that you've done, and we put that into practice in an exam. So you are graded in early years from an A star to a D. The A star is the highest. That would be your 8 or 9 category, moving down to the D, which would be your 4 category on a level 9 to 1. Unit 3 is also marked in the same way, but that's marked externally by the exam board, whereas Unit 1 and 2 are marked internally by Miss Bedford and I. We assess one another's, and then an external assessor will take some of those to check that we're doing it accurately. We have different outcomes for Unit 1. You can see how you've got to prepare for a placement, the responsibilities of a carer, different individual needs for fairness and inclusive practice, different learning styles and how you learn differently to others, and taking that on board when you're teaching young children. Unit 2 is about how to look at the holistic child and how they develop. I've already said intellectually, language, physically, socially and emotionally. We look at observations for the children and what we can see, signs and symptoms of things that they might need help with. We also look at how we understand the factors that affect those holistic approaches, and developing different routines and activities that we can do with the children so that they do develop in the right way. And then Unit 3 takes in everything that we've done in Unit 1 and 2, and we put it into a very short exam set by the exam board. And we do mocks in those throughout the year so that you're au fait with the questions and how the examiners would mark them. So the expectations would be very simple and very much what every teacher would expect. You always arrive on time, you bring all your equipment with you, we give you the folders that you're going to be using throughout the year, we provide all your resources. You need to make sure that you complete all your classwork and your homework on time and neatly. You need to make sure you keep all of this nice in both your orange folder for Unit 1 and yellow folder for Unit 2. And most of all, you need to try your best and have fun, and then you'll be super successful in the course.